I felt so bad in my recent luxury haul that I forgot to share a try on of a few of my new ready to wear pieces. So I'm gonna share that in today's video, but I do also have some newer kind of luxury look for less ready to wear vibe pieces that I wanted to share with you in today's video. So basically we're just gonna do a whole try on haul of a lot of really amazing pieces, whether it's more affordable that I just feel like are giving that ready to wear vibe, or kind of that ready to wear vibe minus the price tag and some ready to wear. We're doing a little bit of everything in today's video. If you're like me and you have started to elevate your wardrobe a little bit, you're gonna love a lot of the pieces. So let's dive in. I ordered 2 tops from this brand and they are definitely not in that ready to wear category as far as price tags. These are definitely on the affordable side. I'll link them both down below for you guys, but I just feel like there's something about them that feels expensive. You've got this exaggerated arm kind of sleeve detail, and I don't know about you, but it just feels intentional and stylish and just more. Right? Like it's not just like a blouse, but I just love this. Like, are you gonna wear this like to go meet the teacher? No. But if you're having a girls' night out, if you're having a date night, if you're going somewhere kind of a little special, a little more stylish, I just felt like this top was really fun and I really wanted to share it. And it does to me give ready to wear kind of luxury higher end vibes. This is another one from the same brand. This one's a little more risque, but I felt like this would be a good date night, kind of like I said, a little riskier top. You are gonna have to tape the girls or do something in regards to that situation, but I thought it was fun. I thought it was different. It also feels very high end, and again, fraction of the cost. Really impressed with this material. The fabric is stunning. It feels so good on the body, almost cooling, but a really nice weight. And the detail of this gold like kind of button, it's incredible. Like I am just, again, so impressed with both of these tops. Next up, I wanted to share a few Fabrique pieces. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw the reel where I did a try on maybe 2 months ago. It's been a little bit, but I got some really beautiful pieces from this brand. If you're not familiar with Fabrique, they are a collective designer brand. What does that mean? It basically means that they work with over 300 designers from all over the world. And some of these designers have designed ready to wear pieces for brands like Dior and Louis Vuitton and Hermes and Saint Laurent. Like they have worked with these designers, created pieces, and they also create pieces for Fabrique. So you're gonna get designer-like pieces, designer quality pieces, designer-like, almost like designer inspired. And what I mean by that is elevated silhouettes, elevated fits, elevated fabrics, just elevated overall, but obviously at a fraction of the cost of a Louis Vuitton or, you know, Saint Laurent ready to wear piece. So I did get a few new pieces from them because I really was just in general really impressed with them. But let's go and dive into some of the newer pieces that I got. I don't know about you, but I love when a piece has an interesting neckline. There's something about it, the shoulders, the décolleté, that to me is just very beautiful on a woman's body. And this top is stunning. You'll see me trying it on. It's just a really beautiful, stunning piece, amazing quality. Like again, when it comes to everything from Fabrique, yes, they are working with, you know, exquisite patterns, exquisite fits, and everything. You are obviously going to get really beautiful fabrics as well. So this piece is of course no exception. I love this. It's a classic piece. You could wear it on a daily basis, but it's also just special enough that you could wear it to something like an event or something, depending on what you wear on the bottom. Next up is going to be these jeans from them. Again, just incredible. This is not something that I would typically be able to find in just a regular department store that would actually fit my body. Being on the petite side, finding something this kind of special can be a little bit more difficult. So you've got this wide leg denim jean that is incredible, but they added these extra details with the suede details on the button and along the waist, and then of course in the back on the pockets as well. Just stunning. I'm wearing the smallest size in everything. And then of course I'm wearing a petite length in these as well. So I'm wearing these in an extra small petite. I just love these. Again, this is not something that I would be able to go and grab at a store and would ever fit my body. So they just do such a great job making sure the pieces are not only just incredible pieces, but they fit well on your body. So I'm just so impressed with these. We can also talk about the blouse that I'm wearing. So you may look at it and think like, oh, it's just like a, pinstripe kind of button down blouse. And in a lot of ways it is, but one thing I want to point out, and that's what I love about all their pieces, is there's just always something a little special, even if something feels like a capsule wardrobe piece, which I would say this definitely is this neckline here. Do you see how this collar, like it's actually collarless in the back, and then you just have this little detail here in the collar situation that just makes it a little more unique, a little more special. I really love that detail. Again, wearing an extra small here, and it's a little bit oversized, but in a good way. I have my sleeves rolled up a little bit and then pulled up. It just feels like a very stylish piece. And just with that little added detail, I just love it. The last piece that I wanted to share with you is this fabulous coat, also from Fabrique, of course. So I did grab this in an extra small, not an extra small petite. I want to say that they're running low in the petite version, but if you can grab a petite size and you are petite, I recommend it, because I am going to have the sleeves altered on this, but I just love this piece. I also have another coat from them. It's actually back right there on the rack that I'm obsessed with as well. Their coats are simply incredible. They are simply incredible. And if you're a coat girl, like I live in Texas, it doesn't make any sense that I'm a coat girl, but I love coats. I love jackets. I love coats. I love layers. There's something about them that just elevate your style. And then obviously, if you have the chance to truly wear them throughout the year, in the winter and stuff like that, depending on your climate, it elevates your wardrobe so much. A good coat, like a good silhouette, a good fabric, like that stuff is important. Like a lot of times you have these like super affordable brands that will recreate these like luxury coat silhouettes, but the fabric is stiff and it doesn't lay right and it doesn't tie right and it just doesn't lay on the body right. That's not going to be the case with these. Like this coat is simply stunning and the color is incredible. I can't believe that I forgot to share my favorite piece that I got in from Fabrique. So this was actually in my closet, but I love this piece. If you're looking for that oversized kind of bomber style jacket, they're actually calling this a baseball jacket. I do feel like it looks like a baseball jacket, kind of like a bomber-esque jacket, but this one is scrumptious, you guys. The quality is incredible. This is probably my favorite piece that I've ever gotten from this brand. The tweed is incredible. The quality is incredible. I love the contrast collar. I love the overall fit. I am wearing the smallest size, an extra small petite. So keep that in mind. It definitely does run a little bit oversized, but that's a vibe. If you do want a little bit more of a fitted fit, I would definitely go down a size in this one. You've got this elastic detail on the bottom. All of Fabrique's pieces have like this signature like red stitching, and it's back here with this, which I think is really beautiful. These really nice oversized front pockets that are actually functional both on the top as well as on the side. Beautiful interior lining, of course. Just such an amazing piece. Like this is seriously one of my favorite pieces that I've gotten from them, hands down. Let's go ahead and dive into the ready-to-wear pieces that I forgot to share with you a try on. I'm actually excited because this is honestly the first time that I'm kind of styling these pieces a little bit. Now, I may change them up a little bit with how I style them, but I just kind of threw something together. I was like, okay, this is what I had in my mind on how I would wear them. So let's see how they look. And obviously would love to know your opinion, but this is the Gucci jacket that I purchased in one of my previous videos. I've really been loving the athletic style in general. You guys know I have a couple of Louis Vuitton kind of this style of jackets that I just love. So I thought it would be fun to get a Gucci one, but I will say this one has been definitely a little bit harder to style than the Louis Vuitton ones. I think because of the print, because of the webbing, it was just a little bit more intimidating for me to style, even though I was very much drawn to this piece. I have it in an extra small, so keep that in mind whenever you see me trying it on. And then I ended up ordering these Gucci shoes to wear with it. A lot lighter, but I just felt like they went well together. And as you can see me trying them on, I do feel like they go really, really, really well together. They're a complement to each other, but not a perfect match, which I think is totally fine. But I think just in general, I love these Gucci sneakers. If you are looking to add one kind of casual lifestyle luxury shoe, get these. These are so good. Do go down and like either half or a whole size, depending on if you're wide, I would say. I went down to a 35 and a half in these and they fit really, really, really comfortable. But the color is incredible. They do come in a few different colors, but this is a kind of like darker oatmeal color I just felt like would go better with this. They have an ivory color, I think, and I just feel like that would be too contrasty. So I just felt like this went better. So you might be asking yourself, what bag are you gonna wear? Let me share the bag that I bought to go with this, and we're gonna try it on for the first time. I'd love to know your thoughts on whether you think they go well together. So obviously I had to get something Gucci, and I really, really struggled with what kind of style I wanted. I did buy this bag pre-loved. So what I ended up buying was the Gucci bum bag. This is in the smaller size. They have two different sizes for this one. This is available still from Gucci, so I'll link it down below, but you've got a smaller pocket in the back. I feel like my phone will fit in here. Let's see. Like I said, I haven't really played around with it. Let's see if the phone fits in the back. Ooh, it's kind of tight, but I think that works. I think that works, right? Like I probably wouldn't zip it up, but if it's on my chest, I feel like that's the perfect kind of safe spot for it to be if I'm wearing it, right? So we've got the back pocket. Then we've got this smaller pocket in the front. Not a whole lot's gonna fit here. Maybe my card holder will fit there. I'm not sure. It's really small, like AirPods would go there. And then we've got this larger compartment, but I say large and it's not very large, but obviously more of like your essentials are gonna go there. So I grabbed this. You can see me trying it on with the jacket. Let me grab the pieces. So what do we think? Does it go together? I have to be honest, I'm trying it on for the first time in this video, and I would love to know your thoughts. Do we like it? Is it too much? Does the brown not go? Either way, I'm not necessarily mad at myself for getting the bum bag, because I do feel like now that I have these sneakers, I do feel like this is gonna go together with like so much. So I'm not mad at getting it. I'm really not. But I did get this because I hoped it would go with this. I'm not sure if it does. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I guess I should also mention the jeans that I'm wearing, because I'm sure I'll have a few of you guys ask. I just got these in as well. They are mother jeans. If you're on the petite side and you struggle with length, like just buying from the store, these, you can see the length is really, really good on me. I did grab a 25. Very stretchy with these. I love mother jeans for that reason. They're very stretchy, so I feel like they're very flattering on the bum in general. I do also love the raw hem. Obviously, these aren't ready to wear, but I'm trying them on in this section, and I did just grab these. So anyways, I just thought I would mention these as well. This piece is probably my favorite. This was kind of like an afterthought thing. I truly thought that the jacket from Gucci was gonna be more my standout item, but I just love this. I love this so much. So I did order this from the men's section. I'll link it down below. I'm wearing it in extra small. It's just such an amazing cardigan. I love that the GGs are almost kind of like faded, right? Like it's Gucci, but is it? It's Gucci, but it's not in your face Gucci. I love it. So I did want to share a couple of different ways. So obviously the sleeves are a little long on me, so you can kind of scooch them up a little bit. So I did share how that looks. I think it looks great. Or you can roll them up. So I did show them rolled up as well. I'd love to know your thoughts. Which way do you like this styled better? Do you like it better just like down and long? Do you like it better scooched up, like with your sleeves like kind of up? Or do you like it better actually rolled, adding that little bit of thickness on the end? Let me know your thoughts, but I love this, and this looks amazing with the sneakers. As you can see, I styled them with the sneakers, and I think they look so cute together. Now that I think about it, I wonder if this would go with it. What do you guys think? Do you think that works? Let me know in the comments. I do have one more piece that I wanted to share that is not quite the ready to wear yet. It's not from Fabrique, but I did discover this cashmere cardigan that I just really fell in love with. I grabbed it in an extra small. I do feel like I could have even done an extra small. So I would recommend if you're gonna grab this, go down a size or two in this. It's very oversized, but really beautiful. It's got that kind of grandpa cardigan vibe, but chic, if that makes sense. Like if you look at it on me, it's just, there's something about the way that it lays. It's so good. When they say cashmere cardigan, this is what they mean. It's so good. I love this piece. As always, I'm gonna make sure to link everything down below in the info box. Thank you so much to Fabrique for partnering with me on a portion of this video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. If you enjoy luxury and these kind of cherries on top when it comes to life, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more content. See you soon. Bye.